Okay, hey guys, there's a new video about my Lego guns. I will be showing you my new gun because my actual heavy pistol broke. So here's my new gun. It's called a Sherber shotgun. It's not too much like detail. Here, over here, you have the ammo. You put the ammo into this little thing, and then it goes all the way down here into there. But I first had to make the double barrel to where the double barrel would be right there, but maybe a little lower.